say,
welcome back to the cocoon lady.
Crazy Cocoon Lady. You want to check out our cocoon bin?
I do want to check out our cocoon bin.
Alrighty, you ready to dump those cocoons out on top of our little orange thing right here? Can you take the lid off and dump them out so we can take a peek? Oh, careful. Yep, we'll set this to the side. And I want you to carefully bring that over here, Carrie, over here, up here. Bring the whole thing over here, please, and we're gonna dump it out so we can see if any of our cocoons in our little cocoon
I can dump it out.
Have hatched. Okay, so carefully take your hand, dump it, and then tap on the bottom a little bit. And oh, wait a second, look on the inside, Carrie. What do you see on the wall in there?
I don't know.
Let's see. Let me zoom in and I'll show you. We have a baby on the wall in there. He's climbing up the wall. Look, you see him down there climbing up the wall?
Yeah. It was from our cocoons.
Yeah, he's the only one that I'm seeing right away, but that's a good sign. We probably have more babies in here, so let's get down here and we're gonna go through it and see if we can find some more. What happened?
Look in here.
What's in here?
A baby worm.
There is a baby worm. I don't know where he went. We're gonna have to find him, but it must have been healthy enough in there for him to hatch. I see a tiny cocoon all the way down there in the corner too. It's real dark. So I'm gonna try to dig these out so we can look at everything all together. We have a whole little slew of babies all mounded up in the corner down in that bin. And you can see they're so freshly born, they're like translucent in color. You can see all the way through them. Carrie, would you like to hold them for a minute? What's that?
It's a baby.
The babies are so cute. Look at them. They're so itty bitty on your hand. Look at that.
Yes, itty bitty. He was just born in the egg.
You think he was born out of the cocoon, the egg? The wormy egg?
Yeah.
Cocoon?
There's two babies here.
There were two babies there. Be very, very gentle with them, okay? And Mom's going to look through here and see.
There's 3 of them.
There were 3 in that little mound?
And 4.
Man. One cocoon that's still pretty yellow over here and another pretty dark one.
There's a lot of worms in my hand.
I'm trying to look up close to see if anything's happening because this one looks a little misshapen. Almost curious if one of those had hatched out of this, but I don't want to squeeze on it to hurt anything. But I'm kind of setting these cocoons aside as I take a peek at them onto this paper towel.
Can find more worms on that.
I'm very meticulously looking through to see if I can find any more because they are so tiny. There's another cocoon.
Yeah, it's gonna hatch.
But this cocoon, if you look really close, I don't know if you can tell on the camera, almost looks hollow inside. So I think this one was one of the ones that they hatched out of. Very hard to get the camera to focus on these little tiny cocoons. But I'll set this aside as well. Baby's super, super gentle with them, okay? Let's kind of cover them with this little piece of paper towel so that they are protected while they crawl around. Well, be very, very careful. Let me help you. Let me help you because you don't want to hurt them. Okay, I don't want you to touch anymore because they're so tiny. We could easily squish them and not even be trying. They're super fragile. They're so small. But I still see some of our cocoons in here. I'm not seeing a whole bunch of other babies. I think they were all kind of clustered down there at the bottom. And it does look like Carrie saw 5 of them. Wait for just a second because our cocoons now are falling off, sweetheart. Set it down. Thank you. Look at this one. What's happening here, Carrie? I can't. Ooh. I'm having trouble looking here.
Oh, Mom,
so many
look at
cocoons.
This baby one.
There's still a little one on your finger there?
Yeah.
I feel certain there's probably a few more in here, but they are so teeny tiny to find. So we're probably just going to leave them in their little nursery we made for them here and give them another week or so to try to hatch out some more. And then we'll probably move them into one of our other bins or start a bin of their own. I'm not quite sure yet. We'll have to see. But the good sign is we created a nice healthy environment that they were able to hatch in. And we have a handful of babies in here. Be real careful, okay? Because they are so small. See if I can pick this one up really, really carefully. I mean, on the tip of my finger, they're so small. So we're gonna get these guys put back away. I might just do one more quick sweep down to the bottom, see if there's any other ones in the bottom of this container, which as a matter of fact, there are. Do you see them? I'm trying to get it to focus. In on the bottom. There they are, climbing on the bottom of our bin.
Another one?
We have another, I think 2, it looks like, that I can see. Let me get it to focus again. Hold on. It's tricky. Tricky to get it to focus. There it goes. Wow, I can't believe we were able to hatch some babies. Is that pretty cool?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. So tell our friends, say come back next week and we'll show you how they're doing.
Come next week and come see them.
We'll show you how they're doing. Say thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.
Please like and subscribe.
We'll talk to you real soon.
We'll talk to you real soon.
Say bye.
Bye.